Here is my new GoPro Hero 8. I intend to record video in cinematic mode, that is 4K 30 frames per second and the super view angle. How will the color and EV compensation affect the result? This is my test. The GoPro colors are vivid and normally there is no need for EV compensation. A lower EV compensation makes the picture a bit darker. In my opinion, the flat color setting is washing out the colors too much. If you like the flat color setting, I suggest you lower the EV compensation